What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Zoho backup verification code. So for that, you need to head over to the Zoho accounts or the Zoho Books website. And after that, you need to log in or sign up with your account. And after logging in or signing up, on the right side, you will see your profile icon. Click on that and then click on My Profile or My Account. After that, you will be redirected to this page of your profile. From here on the left side, you need to click on multi-factor authentication. And from here, you first need to enable the multi-factor authentication. And when you enable the multi-factor authentication, here when you scroll a bit down, you will see the option to backup verification codes. From here, you will get your backup verification code. And when you enable the multi-factor authentication, this button will pop up to generate new codes. Click on that and then generate your new backup verification code. And this is how you can get a Zoho backup verification code on your account. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.